Hello, in this video we will learn how to choose who can reply on individual threads posts. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel, and activate the notification bell to receive all updates. First, open the Threads application. Go to your profile. Now, search for the post you want to edit. Once you've found the post, click on the three dots next to it. Then, choose who can reply. By default, Threads allows everyone to reply. If you want to give reply rights only to the people you follow, choose this option. If you want no one to reply to this post, click here. I will choose the second option. As you can see, I have successfully selected who can reply to my post. Finally, support us by liking the video and following us to stay updated with our latest videos. Thank you, see you in the next video.